What's up, tech family? It's another beautiful day in the tech universe, and we've got a star that's shining brighter than ever, the Realme GT 6T. Now, I know you've been scrolling through a galaxy of smartphones, but trust me, this one's a supernova. Let's not just talk specs. Let's feel them. So buckle up as we launch into the Realme GT 6T experience. Boom! That's the sound of your mind being blown by the 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, it's like having a personal sun for your binge-watching sessions. Underneath this sleek chassis is the heart of a lion, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. Whether you're gaming or just swiping, this phone roars with speed. And with up to 16 GB RAM, it's ready to pounce on any task. Click! That's the sound of the 50-megapixel main camera capturing life in ultra-high definition. And with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, your social media is about to get a serious upgrade. And the battery, a colossal 5,500 mAh with 120-watt charging. It's like having a power plant in your pocket, fast, furious, and always ready for action. And let's talk style. The Realme GT 6T comes in silver and green. It's not just picking a color. It's choosing your tech aura. Which one are you? So, there you have it, folks. The Realme GT 6T isn't just a gadget. It's a portal to a world where tech meets lifestyle. It's about making every moment count and doing it with flair. If you're feeling the vibe of the GT 6T, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know your thoughts down below. Stay awesome, stay techie, and I'll see you on the flip side.